Hey friends, what's up? It's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. Now, if you are new to my channel and you are not a fan of fast-talking, long-winded people, I am not the girl for you to watch. Please make sure you're clicking off because you're not going to enjoy this video. For the ones that are sticking around, thank you so much for wanting to hang out with me. You guys are amazing. All right, I have an amazing experience to share with you, and I could not wait to come on here and share it. So I was working out in the gym. I'm only on my 4th week. I just started my 4th week today, and I was working out, and I caught a glimpse of myself in the mirror. I'm already seeing definition in myself. My alcohol belly is gone. The amount of pride that I felt in myself, I wish I could bottle that shit up. That was so amazing. It made me even push myself harder in that workout. I'm on cloud 9. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a double unboxing. So one is going to be a regular one you see on my channel all the time. And then one is going to be brand new. I have never unboxed this before and I cannot wait to share it with you. So the first box is going to be the regular box that I do all the time. It is Ipsy does Boxycharm. Yes, they have another name. I don't like it. I like mine better. My channel, I'm going to call it whatever I want. So this box is going to be $28. Now that does not include any taxes or fees. That is just for the box. Now, let's go ahead and start with the two things that they picked out for me. The first one is a palette. So this is by Iconic London and it is called the Blooming and Gleaming Eyeshadow. Now this is the third palette that at least I've gotten so far, and the quality is amazing. But not everybody is going to like this because I don't think this is going to be everybody's cup of tea. It is neutral, but I think they could have did more with it being fall time. That is just my thoughts. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this because I love neutrals. So I'm not mad at it. They could have did more because tell me what you think. Would you have liked different colors in that than just neutral? Second thing they picked out for me is by Tula Skincare, and this is the So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. So this is for your face. Now, I like pumpkin scents. I'm not the biggest fan of eating pumpkin, but I love things that smell like pumpkin. So this has really, really good grit. I would be very careful on your face not to push too hard on this. It has a very nice, light, sweet pumpkin scent. I like that a lot. Oh, that's pretty. But be careful, guys, not to damage your skin by pushing too hard on this. Now on to the 3 items that I chose for myself, and boy do I have an opinion about the choices they had. I was on there soon as the choices were available to pick, and I had to force myself to pick something. If my credit card wasn't already charged, I would have skipped this month. That's how bad they were. This is the worst that I can remember. I mean, I wasn't interested in anything. But let's go ahead and talk about what I did pick, since I couldn't skip it. So the first thing is a skincare item, and this is by Aloe, and it's the Glow System Luminizing Face Moisturizer. I picked this because I was like, maybe this is going to be like my Tatcha Dewy skin cream, so let's go ahead and try it out. So let's go and open it up. There's not much scent to it, which is good. Let's see how dewy this is. There's absolutely no dew. I don't get where they say that it's illuminating. Hopefully it's hydrating for my dry skin because that would be helpful, but dewy, no. Illuminating, no. So the second thing is going to be, let's go ahead and talk about this. So it is I'm So Pretty Shadow Stick Duo. So the first part is going to be a crayon. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that's nice. Let's go into the liquid part. Comes in a little cute doe foot. Okay, that's nice, but the formula has me kind of scared. I don't know if this is going to do the best for your eye. I don't know. Maybe if it doesn't work, maybe you can use it as a highlighter. I don't know. It's just, I'm used to formulas when it comes to liquid eyeshadows, and this one has me on the fence about it. But we'll see when it's on the eye. Okay, so the third thing is by Huda Beauty, and this is the Lip Contour Lip Pencil 2.0 Honey Beige. Okay, it's really nice and creamy. It's a pretty color. I like the creaminess because what I like to do is throw on a lip pencil all over my lips and put some lip balm in the middle of it and call it a day. That is my favorite way to do my lips, especially for work, because I know that it's not going to create any irritation for me during my shift, and it will actually last, and that's just what works for me. So if you put all that together, that is my box. I do have a beauty boost that I'm going to talk about in a minute. Like I said, it was not worth it for me. If I had to pick something that I liked, I know it's boring, but I like this. This is the only thing I can say that I'm really, really happy about. And I have a crap ton of neutral palettes back here. This is full of makeup, and that's why I would have skipped this month. So for me, how this is not worth it. Let's talk about Beauty Boost. So this is an extra $15 that you get charged every single month. And I have to say, they've been doing an amazing job. I have been impressed with what they've been putting out. The value has been incredible. I like that you get to pick the item so you can make sure you're exactly getting what you want for your money. Because if you think about it, the box costs $28. $15, that's a lot for one item. And they did good until today. Well, I should say this month. This was a choice before. I'm almost 100%. And yes, this has a $98 value, but I've gotten it before. I have backups out the wazoo. I think I have 5 of them in there. And that's not good that you're already repeating yourself. And the other choices sucked. I mean, sucked. So even their Beauty Boost choices sucked butt. So I am not happy whatsoever. I just wish they give you an option to give you a day to see if you want it or not, and then be able to skip it and not automatically charge you. So put out the choices, have somebody have the leeway, so then you have the next day to say, okay, I want to keep this or I want to skip it. I think that is so scammy that they go over and charge it and then show you what you can get in your box. I think that needs to be changed, and I hope that more people voice their opinion, because I can't be the only one that feels like that. So that is my feeling on it. But I forgot to go over prices on everything else. So let me go ahead and do that. So in the box, this palette over here has a retail value of $62. This exfoliating pumpkin scrub by Tula is $34. The lip pencil is $21. This duo shadow stick is $24. And then this aloe moisturizer is $48. Yes, it's cheaper than my Tatcha Dewy skin cream, but I much rather have that. And I already said this has a retail value of $98. All right, we've made it to the second box. So this box is called the Trend Mood box. And what it is, it's not a monthly thing. So they put out spoilers to tease you in what the box is going to be. And then you can sign up to get notified when the box is available. And I learned my lesson that you have to move quickly. So what happened is I signed up to get a notification for Trend Mood box number 21, I believe it was. And I got a notification when I was working out in the gym, and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and purchase it before it disappears. And then I realized, talking to my good friend Tina Bacon, she's my sister on here, that I bought the wrong box. But I saw one of the sneak peeks on it, so I was not mad because I've been wanting to try this product. So I signed up for the second one, the number 21, and I was a little late to the party. I was an hour late and that crap was already sold out. So I've now realized if you're interested in this trend mood box, you have to be quick. You can't fool around. Make sure you set an alarm. I'm going to have a crap ton of alarms because I get distracted easily. So I want to make sure I don't miss it if I see one that I am interested in. Okay. So this box is $48. I believe they're all $48. So the product I have been so excited to try is this. So this is the Farsali, the Reset Renewal Fluid Cream. And the thing that excites me is the founder on here, this gentleman, he comes on TikTok and he challenges people how they get ready and prepare for their makeup, so their skincare. And he puts his money where his mouth is. And I think it's so funny. I get a kick out of watching his little TikToks on here. So I'm like, is it really that good? Because if it's as good as he says, this is going to be a game changer in my routine. And I can't wait because this is going to replace so many items. And I believe this has a retail value of $38. And so $10 more and you get everything else in this box. But I'm so excited and I like that this is an airless bottle. Okay, so the other things you get in here. And I am shocked how much you get for $48. So the second thing is going to be by Thrive Cosmetics, and this is their Infinity Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. In Lauren, it's in black. Yes, we all know what black looks like, but let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, we've never seen a black eyeliner in a box before. I need to stop being a smartass. I am happy to get this because I'm always looking for an amazing eyeliner to last out in the sweaty weather as I work because I hate ones that travel. So I'm excited to try this one. Second thing by Thrive Cosmetics is going to be a lipstick, and it's called the Impact Full Lipstick in Jessica. Yes, you're not seeing packaging because I've realized I am an animal when it comes to opening things. I will use my teeth to rip at it and then spit the remainder off to the side. And I'm like, okay, I'll throw that away later. And that is not attractive. You don't want to see that mess. So no, there is no packaging in here. Plus it saves time, which is nice. Oh, this is bright. So that is very, very bright. That is not my usual color. So what I'm going to do I have my lip balm over here that I'm using? So let me throw this on and show you how I'm gonna wear it. And let's see how it is. Okay, that's how I'm gonna wear it. So that's really pretty. This is going to last me a really long time with how little I'm going to use it. Okay, so now we're on to the fourth item, and let's go ahead and use what I just opened up to use the mirror. So this is the RMS Beauty, and this is a Hydro Blush, and it's the Mai Tai color, and this is stinking gorgeous. Oh, that has a, so this is going to be a very glowy blush. But that is stunning. And it's on the very bottom like you can't see. But so stoked about that. Next thing is by Campari. And this is the Sun Shield Body Glow Broad Spectrum SPF 50. And let's see how this is. Okay, it's gel formula. Oh. So it smells like sunscreen. But the texture on your skin, it's off-putting to me. It's like greasy and tacky. I don't like the texture on this. I don't know when I'm going to wear this, but I don't think this is for me. Everything I've tried from Campari, Campari I have tried, I have not liked. I don't know what it is. It's just, I guess it's not made for me. Okay, let me wipe my hands. Now the sixth item. I can't believe there's 6 items and I still have one more left. So this is the Anastasia mascara, and it's the Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. Yes, you heard me say the V word wrong. My mouth does not want to say that. And I believe I've tried another Anastasia mascara, and I believe it was a pink chrome. I did not like that one, so hopefully I like this one. Last thing is going to be by Zit Sticka, and it's the Killa Extra Strength Fast Acting Patch for deep early stage zits. That I'm interested in. This is going to come so in handy for that time of the month. Thank God I'm on the tail end of mine, and I've already solved my breakout problem. I just had a little bit over here thanks to Paula's Choice acne stuff. It went away. It's a treatment that I use. It's absolutely amazing, but excited about this. So for $48, this is freaking amazing. I'm definitely going to buy more of the Trend Mood boxes because look at this. This is amazing for $48. I only hated one thing, and that's this. It's just not my cup of tea. It's just that texture. I'm a texture girl, and that just is off-putting for me. But that is everything that I got in my Trend Mood box. Hopefully I get my shit together and I actually make it to on the box when it releases that I get one. And I have this hair that keeps trying to go in my dang mouth. I hope next time, like I said, I'm first in line, that I can actually get the box so I can show you the boxes, because this is an incredible experience. I liked how everything was packaged. It was superb. They had bubble wrap. Everything was wrapped up beautifully. It looks like they actually cared about their customers, which is nice. So being a first box, I am definitely interested in getting more from this Trend Mood company. Tell me what you think. What was your favorite item, and would you want to spend $48 on this? This definitely outshined the Ipsy. I'm telling you, I was not happy whatsoever, so it's nice to end on a good note and not that I'm just shitting on crap. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. You guys are absolutely amazing. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Hopefully this is going to be, if I get my crap together, it will be the Jeffree Star new collection. Was it Gothic Beach collection? I have it, but I want to try it out at work to see how it holds up, because it's supposed to be beach proof or something like that. That's his thing. That he doesn't say waterproof on here. So I want to make sure to test it out to see how it holds up. So if it doesn't hold up, I can tell you, do not wear it when you're sweating. I mean, I have to be honest with you, and I know this is important because I know that's important for me. And I'm willing to look like a hot mess for a day for you guys, so you don't go walking around with your mascara or eyeliner running down your face. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.